ខ្ញុំដឹងថារៀនវាពិបាកតែបើយើងមិនរៀនអនាគតយើងនឹងពិបាកជាងនេះទៅទៀត
Hello and welcome to my page Dek Rean, everyone. Today I would like to share with you guys about some parts of Dharma which are very useful and very beneficial for our daily life. It is very important if we can follow that kinds of Dharma, we will become better, our life will become better. So, it's called 4 parts of Dharma which bring us to be rich. In English, we can say hearts of millionaire. Even though some millionaire around the world, they do not believe in Buddhism, they do not learn the Dharma from Buddhism, but the way they are acting, the way they are following are related with these 4 kinds of Dharma. So, without wasting any more time, let's go to see what are there. The first Dharma is called effort. In Pali we say Uddana Sambada. It means effort. So in this world, millionaire, they try so hard, they work so hard before they become rich. So if we want to be rich, we have to work hard. We have to try as much as we can. They give a great effort before they become rich. So a millionaire work very hard. They are working when the poor people are sleeping. They are walking, they are going when the poor people are taking a rest. So a millionaire always try hard and focus and walking to the goal. They never just sleep on the bed and become rich. So they try so hard before become rich. So the Dharma, first Dharma that the Buddha teaches is that give a great effort, try so hard, try again and again and again. This is called Uddana Sambada, great effort, try hard. So the second Dharma is, and the second part of the Dharma is called Arakha Sambada, mean good at saving, good at keeping, good at looking after. You know, in our daily life, after we try hard, the first Dharma, after we try hard to earn the money or earn our wealth, and then just trying hard to earn is not enough. The second Dharma is that we must good at keeping and looking after our belongings or our property. You know, as it is said, it doesn't matter how much you earn, but the matter is that how much you can save from what you earn. For example, if we earn $200 per month and then we spend more than that, this is not the way that millionaires do. So it doesn't matter how much you earn, but the best important thing is that how much you can save from your salary. This is very important, and this is the heart of millionaire as well. The Buddha say Arakha Sambada. And one more thing is that besides property, we have to think about communication. Millionaire good at communication. They know how to keep a good relationship or communication with people around him or her. As it is said, get a good new friend, keep a good old friend. So after we trying hard, we must know how to keep our property, how to keep a good relationship with people around us. This is the way that millionaires are walking. And the third Dharma is about association with a good friend. We say Kalayana Mittata, mean having a good friend. A millionaire always be careful about choosing friends. Most of them always try to find a good partner for the business. And in the same way, in our daily life, if we want our life better, we should try to associate with good friends. And good friend will bring us to the right way. For one example story, one millionaire, he thought that after he passed away, all property will belong to his son, and his son no need to earn money, no need to study. But unluckily, after he passed away, his son didn't work, know only how to spend the money, communicate with bad friends. All his friends encourage him or urge him to drink alcohol, play game, and have sexual misconduct. So his property went down every day until he became poor, very poor. So a son of millionaire become very poor because of what? Because of having bad friend. Bad friend bring us to the bad way. Good friend bring us to the good ways. And the fourth part of the Dharma is called Samajivata. It means live balancedly. For the millionaire, they know how to balance, how to manage the money. We call financial management. They know how to save the money. They know how to put some amount of money into the investment. And then they know how to put some amount of money for social engagement and some amount of money for the family, for medical treatment as well. So how to live balancedly according to our incomes is very important as well. For millionaire, they really care about it. So now we come to conclusion about 4 dharmas which are very beneficial and can make our life become better. Is the first one is Uddhana Sambata, try hard, work hard, be diligent. And the second one is Araka Sambata, good at keeping, saving. And the third one is being with a good friend or association with good companion. And the last one is that live your life balancedly. So last of all, I would like to say, if we firmly follow and practice these 4 kinds of Dharma, our life will become better. So may all of you be happy and healthy, live a peaceful life. Remember, Dharma will take good care of ones who practice the Dharma. Thank you so much.